Today marks 6 months since the very first case was announced in Missouri. Some people say it might seem a lot longer than that. Tonight, we take a look back as the region still hopes to look forward, and we see where we stand now.
This afternoon, Missouri tested the first case of COVID-19, a presumptive positive.
Rewind to March. Coronavirus crept, then swept through the region.
The city of St. Louis has its first positive case.
Sporting events canceled, schools shuttered, healthcare workers braced for the worst with PPE and tests in short supply. Since then, more than 95,000 Missourians have been infected. 1,600 people lost their lives, and 500,000 in the Show Me State lost their jobs.
Shocked, devastated.
Jasmine Dixon, the city's first COVID-19 related death. Soon, a disparity in how the virus affected people of color emerged. St. Louis County spent $2 million outfitting a temporary morgue last month, announcing they were dismantling it after it had housed 57 bodies.
Oh, it's just scary. It's just scary.
Families with loved ones in long-term care facilities have often worried most. Federal data shows more than 700 residents in Missouri have died from the virus. Young people, though, are not immune. People in their 20s and 30s hold the most cases of any group in the state. The number of people under the age of 20 with the virus rose 96% in the month of August into early September, though no one under the age of 20 has died, according to the state. Scenes like this from Wheelhouse downtown in July are what government leaders have feared most, implementing ever-evolving regulations on crowd sizes, capacities, and mask mandates. Some businesses like gyms and bars pushed back on restrictions. Today, masking up in St. Louis City and County are now completely commonplace.
Wear a mask.
As the economy now rebounds, some businesses still taking a heavy hit.
It just feels like a smack in the face.
With many Missourians still out of work or trying to make up for lost time, a virus that in some way, big or small, has touched everyone's life. And News 4 is continuing to monitor the latest case numbers in the bi-state. Missouri reports 906 new COVID-19 cases today, more than half. 55.5% of those new cases are people younger than 30. Overall, Missouri now has more than 95,000 cases and nearly 1,700 deaths, and the 7-day positivity rate in Missouri is a sky-high 13.8%.